everyone, so I'm looking like an egg. When don't I? So today I'm going to be doing a kind of just crazy look. I'm just going to be doing like purple cut crease, but this is like inspired by a Bratz look. I'll try and put the picture on the screen now. If not, I will have it on my Instagram if this goes well. And she just has like a purple cut crease, like she's living with her purple cut crease. I'm just going to do like a kind of natural Bratz look, like kind of like a wearable Bratz look, so you know, more people can wear it. Also, I'm not that talented, so I can't do the whole like drawing the eyes underneath the eyes. I might try that, but not today, sis. Not today. I've already got my eyebrows on. These aren't really like the Bratz ones, but I just want normal eyebrows today. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with the Plouise base. This is in the white shade, so 0. And I'm just gonna pack that in with my Jouer 144. Yeah, soft concealer brush. So I'm obviously going to go in with the Morphe James Charles palette. It's just got such a good purple in it. Well, a few purples in it. They're so good. Don't hate me. So yeah, I'm going to take a kind of smaller packing brush because I want the dark purple to be very pigmented and dark. So I'm going to take this shade here, which is Escape, the darkest purple. And I'm just packing that into the lowest part of the crease, if that makes sense. By the way, that was a JH39. I'm going to go in with another JH39. And I'm going to take the shade Single, which is the next purple along. And I'm going to pack that. I always say this, half on and half above that shade from before. So now I've done that shade, I'm going to take a little bit on a more fluffy brush and a little bit of Pinkity Drinkity is hard, so hard to say that, Pinkity Drinkity, and kind of blend those two together and then kind of go above slash a little bit on that shade just to help blend it out. As I always do, I go back and forth between each shade just to like pack them back on if I've lost the colour and to help blend them out. So yeah, I'm just going back and forth with the dark purple, the light purple and a bit of Pinkity Drinkity as well. So now that I have got that to kind of the best blend I can get it to, it's not perfect, but I'm going to take some more of the Plouise base and I'm going to take it on the Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm happy that the concealer is purple on the lid because that's the colour that the Bratz doll has on her lid. Like she has this kind of light purple and I don't actually have a light purple like this, I don't think. Or in the James palette definitely doesn't have it anyway. I'm going to go in with the white, which is Flashback. And I'm just going to set that all down. Okay, so now I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner and I'm just doing a liner. I'm now going to do my foundation and base and stuff. I'm not going to show you that in this video because I am trying out a new foundation and that will be a video separately to this. So if you want to see that, it will probably be up before this, but if not, it will be up after, and I'll leave a link in the description to the base if I remember. If not, just check my channel and you can see the products I use. I'm testing the Morphe foundation, so if you're interested in seeing how I feel about that and stuff, then check out that video. I'm sorry I'm kind of like squinting. I don't know why, I'm just suddenly like the lights are really bright suddenly, even though I've been here for hours. Anyway, I'm gonna get on and do my base and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the look. Yeah, so I've just done my base off camera. Now I need to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the dark purple shade, which is Escape. Now I'm going in with the shade Single, which is the next purple along. I'm going to go in with a white liner on my waterline. This is the NYX like Gel Hot. So I've put on some lashes. These are Pinky Goat Saja lashes, S-A-J-A, I believe. So obviously she has brown eyes, I'm going to edit those, but for the lips they're quite pink. I'm just going to go in with my usual lip liner, which is the Morphe Coffee and Kissy liner. I literally love this lip liner so much. It's such a nice colour. So yeah, I'm just going to line my lips with this. And I am going to overline them. I usually overline anyway, but I'm going to overline them just a little bit more. I'm going to go in with the lipstick in Rosé the Day. It's quite nude, but love that for me. This is Jouer Skinny Dip Gloss. This is the finished look. The lips are crazy, but this is kind of like, I wanted to do like a Bratz style lip, where they have the darker on the outside and the lighter in the middle, like a line of darker. I will probably take this off and do it normally when I go out, because otherwise I'll get weird looks. Like I'll get weird looks anyway, but I'm going to take pictures like this and then possibly change the lip after I've got a good picture, but we shall see. I'll put the picture on the screen. Obviously I don't have the plaster on my nose, but that's just difficult because I don't want to draw it on. Because I'm testing a foundation and I'm going out, so yeah, I might edit it on or I'll just leave it. I'm going to put up my hair in pigtails. Okay, so my hair's a bit messy now, but I cut off some of my cat's bed to make these like scrunchy type things. They're not really proper, but I've just pinned them in the back. Yeah, so I made these out of my cat's bed. Sorry, Rosie. Needs to be done. Anyway, this is the finished look. It's quite crazy. Obviously, it's a Bratz look. It's not perfect, whatever, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different for me. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's Alice King Makeup. I will be posting a full picture on this look, so if you want to see what it looks like in the end, then go check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're having a really great day, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.